Hi, this is Andrew Bunnell again, and let's look to see how we can change our data that looked like this from our I/O lab. Once again, the blue line is the position, the red line is the intensity that the light sensor is receiving. So the first thing I did was I clicked down here and said, oh yeah, I forgot how to do this. So I clicked on this other chart right here, scrolled down to position, and under position it has the export to CSV. This one for some reason, oh, there it is. Now it has export to CSV. I'm going to go ahead and export both of them. And I'm going to remember where I saved them. So now, under where I saved them, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and open up an Excel file. And we're going to go File, Open. Now, I already have my location saved, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the wheel. Hit open. Now let's go ahead and File, Open up the light, CSV, Open, and I'm going to go ahead and copy, move or copy. I'm going to go ahead and create a copy. And I'm going to, looks, I actually have it open twice. I'm going to create a copy into the last wheel. So now I have my wheel and my light sensor data together. Next, I'm going to go ahead and copy, move or copy, create a copy. Oh, sorry, I'm just going to copy the data. So I'm going to grab these, Control C, go over here to light, paste. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the light calibrated data and highlight the position wheel calibrated data, and I'm going to go Insert, Scatter Plot. Let's do it with lines. Uh-oh, my diffraction pattern is sideways. I actually want to have my diffraction pattern the other way. So I'm going to drag that off the screen just a little bit. I'm going to move this box over. I'm going to move this. Oops. Okay, let's put this back onto Cal for a second. Now let's move. Control C. Okay, I'm going to click on my data again. I'm going to drag the purple box over a little bit. I'm going to drag this box on the Cal, and I'm going to drag this box on that Cal. So now, let's drag this up, make the screen a little bit bigger. Okay. So now we have a nice diffraction pattern. To make it easier to see, click on the data, Format Data Series, and make the points really small, built in and small. I'm going to hit Close. So now we see the general diffraction pattern. To make it even a little bit easier to see, I'm going to shrink the border down to about 14. So maximum fixed, 14, close. And there we get to see our envelope of our diffraction pattern. Now this side, I was able to hit the peak really well. This side, somehow I missed it. I might have traveled just a little bit too fast through the peak. Otherwise, I'd get a nice envelope. And also right here in the middle, just to let you know, it was the peak intensity was just a little bit too bright, and so it chopped it off a little bit. But aside from that, you can see that it would be a nice envelope, and all these peaks right here represent how many slits are together. In this case, it was a diffraction pattern, or 200 lines per inch. So with that calculation, you can calculate the spacing. And with that, you get a nice intensity versus position. Position down here, and it looks like the position was converted to meters because I dragged this whole thing of roughly 14 centimeters. And I'd have to look at it a little bit more intently, but this is initial work. Thanks for watching.